Hi folks, welcome to the channel. So what's it all about? Well, I've been toying with the idea of doing a YouTube channel for quite a long time, and one of the main things that's always put me off is, apart from talking to a camera in public, which is quite off-putting, quite nerve-wracking I guess, the main thing is that most property-based YouTube channels are developed to sell you something, to sell you mentorship, to promote somebody as a guru and so on, and that's something I've been extremely vocal about and also very uncomfortable with classing myself as any of those things. One thing I have come to terms with and realised just recently, which has led to me starting this, is that to somebody who is a couple of steps behind where I am in their property career, I am an expert. Now, there are people way more advanced than me, have done way more than me, and far more accomplished, far more wealthy, and all the rest of it. That's not what I'm pretending to be. But the purpose of this channel is just to help those people who are just starting out, or have recently started out, or are looking to develop into a different sector such as commercial conversions or HMOs. Because that's something I've done. That's something I can help you with. I've done around £3 million worth of commercial conversions, converting commercial properties into HMOs, co-living HMOs, apartments and so on, or serviced accommodation even. So I have quite a widespread experience within the property sector, albeit I'm no expert, I'm no guru, but what I can do is share my views, my learnings and experience with you to hopefully help you along your way. I guess the other thing is I'm over 50, so one, I've got a lot of life experiences, but also I'm looking for other avenues to bring in income ready for retirement. So, there's no shame in the fact that YouTube can become another income stream. And, all of the top wealthiest people will tell you that you should have more than one income stream. And YouTube can be another small income stream. So I am looking to get the channel monetized. To do that, I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time of the videos. So if you're interested in property, interested in somebody over 50 starting a YouTube channel, or just interested in what I get up to on a day-to-day basis, whether that be with property projects, be with H2MO, our HMO management agency in Hull, then please subscribe, like the video, and comment below. Leave us a comment and tell us what sort of content, what sort of videos you'd like us to make, or even any questions you have. We may even turn that into a video. So I'm always open to constructive criticism. If you want to troll me, feel free. I'll either block you or ignore you, or you might be lucky, I might even give you a response. Who knows? I've already had one. Just real quickly to finish the video off, I did my first live stream, which you'll find somewhere up here if you're on the channel page. Did my first live stream a couple of weeks ago, and one of the comments was Humpty Dumpty. Wow, I've never been mistaken for a famous person before. So anyway, I'll end it on that, folks. Thanks for stopping by. If you've made it to the end of the this video, please subscribe, and I look forward to giving you some more content. Take it easy, folks. See you later.